Hello and welcome to our introductory video on MATLAB for beginners. MATLAB is a powerful tool that can help you perform a wide range of tasks, from simple calculations to complex simulation. In this video, we will cover what MATLAB is and its importance, an overview of the MATLAB interface, and some of the basic commands and syntax to get you started. So let's dive in. What exactly is MATLAB? MATLAB stands for Matrix Laboratory. It's a high-level programming language used by millions of engineers, researchers, and scientists worldwide. MATLAB is particularly strong in areas such as data analysis, algorithm development, modeling, and simulations. Let's take a quick tour of the MATLAB interface. When you open MATLAB, you will see several key components. The command window. This is where you'll type your commands and see the results immediately. It's great for quick calculations and testing small piece of code. Then you have the workspace. Here you can see all the variables you've created during your session. It's like a snapshot of your current work environment. On the left hand side, you will see the current folder you're in. This section shows the files and scripts in your working directory. You can manage your files directly from here. For writing and debugging scripts and functions, the editor is where you'll spend a lot of your time. When you start MATLAB, usually the editor section is not shown. To open the editor section, simply click on New, choose Script, and this will open your editor window. Understanding the interface is crucial as it helps you navigate and utilize MATLAB effectively. Now, let's dive into some basic commands and syntax. Let's start with some fundamental commands. I will close the editor as we will not be using it for now. In the command window, you can do some basic mathematical operations. For example, MATLAB uses standard arithmetic operations for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For instance, to add two values, you can simply type the first value, let's say 5, then the plus sign, second value, then hit enter, and this will give you the answer. You can also subtract. Now, let's create some variables. You can assign values to variables using the equal sign. For instance, you can say a equals 8 and hit enter. This will assign the number 8 to a. You can also see that on the right hand side of the screen. You can also assign negative values to variables. For instance, you can say that b equals -4 and -4 will be assigned to b. Then you can do some mathematical operations using the assigned variable. For instance, you can say that c equals a times b. This will calculate c based on the values of a and b. To clean your command window, you can type clc and this will clean your command window. To check all previous commands that you've done in your session, you can simply hit the up arrow on your keyboard and this will open the history command window. You can navigate to any command that you want and click enter and this will apply the command again. That's a brief introduction to MATLAB. We covered what MATLAB is, its importance, quick overview of the interface, and some basic commands and syntax. In the next video, we will dive deeper into more advanced topics and functionality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorial. Thanks for watching.